Good morning to all. I welcome you all to this didactic program, Thirukkuralodu Naam, attending in fact with a noble desire to reach the seat of grace in life by practicing the ethical values of Thiruvalluvvar.
Couplet number 714. Chapter The Knowledge of the Council Chamber. One day, King Akbar was conversing with his ministers and staff in a friendly way. Suddenly, he looked at Birbal and asked how to behave with people who had no wisdom. Birbal did not answer immediately. He behaved in a manner that he did not notice what King Akbar asked. Akbar thought that Birbal was thinking about something and hence he asked the same question to Birbal. Birbal looked at the king and did not mince words. Seeing the act of Birbal, King Akbar got angry. He asked Birbal about the answer in an angry tone and whether he lost his hearing power. Birbal maintained silence for this too. Akbar got up from his chair, went to Birbal, shook him with his hands and thundered whether he turned deaf or he was showing disrespect towards him. Birbal continued his silence despite Akbar losing patience. Then Birbal said, "Dear respectful king, do not lose patience. I answered your question immediately without wasting even a second, but you did not understand the answer." Akbar was surprised at the words of Birbal and asked when he answered. He told him that he looked like a pillar of the palace throughout some time. Birbal then told Akbar that one should maintain silence when he happened to be with the men of no wisdom. King Akbar appreciated Birbal for his casual answer to his question. In the presence of people with wisdom, one should speak in a wise manner. When speaking with people of no wisdom, one should exhibit himself as the innocent like them. Our Saint Tamil poet Thiruvalluvvar explains about this in Thirukkural as follows. ஒள்ளியார் முன் ஒள்ளியராதல் வெள்ளியார் முன் வான்சுதை வண்ணம் கொளல். I recite. ஒள்ளியார் முன் ஒள்ளியராதல் வெளியார் முன் வான்சுதை வண்ணம் கொளல். It is better to be silent with men of no wisdom. It is pleasure to speak with men of wisdom. Thank you very much indeed. Nandri, Vanakkam.